Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit your template or templates on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial. Step to it. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using here Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or any other browser suits you. So of course, then you just go here to the URL option and type asana.com and hit the enter button. Of course, when you do that, that will wait, let just the page load, and that will actually take you into this page. So before, of course, start using the Asana website, you would like to go and create your account. If you don't have an account, you can do that, of course, with your Gmail. If you don't want to go through all the steps of the boring steps of creating your account, or if you already have an account, that's great. You will need just to go and log in into it, and you'll be good to go, or good to start for this tutorial. So of course, as we said, we would like to edit some templates on our Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and click here at create. Of course, if you don't find that, if you find it like that, just go and click at the three lines at the top left corner, and of course then click at create. As you can see, if you don't have anything here, you'd like to create a task, a project, a message, or invite, or if you have like something in your workspace right here. If you don't have, first of all, workspace, you can create it through this plus icon. But if you don't, all you need to do, just if you do if you do have like workspace here, just go and click at one of them and go, as you can see here. That will actually like be, you'll find here the task that you already added to your workspace, and etc. You'll find everything that you already did. So of course, as you can see, we have here two workspaces. As I said, that's the task that I have in this workspace. So of course, choose one of those workspace. If you want to edit the template of it, just go and click at the three dots right here. So of course, as you can see, you can actually start setting color and icon. You can actually change it. So let's say as an example, like this is for something tasks, so for some tasks. So just go and click at this icon tasks, and of course you can even change the color of it, and that will actually be changed here and here as well. And of course, you can even set status if you want: on track, at risk, off track, on hold, in, or even complete. So that's how you can actually edit the templates. You can even, like, if you haven't this, you can click at create right here, then click at project, then click at use template, and from here you can choose whatever template suits you, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.